memes. Flat, flat, flat Earth memes. Flat Earth memes. Flat, flat Earth memes. Flat Earth memes of the week. Hello, hello, hello. Once again, welcome back, one and all, to yet another episode of Memes of the Week. This is the game show that was born and still lives in the basement of the physics building right here on YouTube University campus and broadcast every week on our very own state-of-the-art ISDN-powered public broadcasting channel. Each and every week, we pit three of the internet's hottest flurf memes in a gladiatorial battle to the death. They don't have to be good. They don't have to be good looking. They don't even have to be accurate. They just have to be on the internet. Much like the flurfs, they don't have to have anything going for them whatsoever. If you're a fan of FEMOW, you already know that on this show, we don't stray away from the hard stuff. Nope. We Naruto run right into it, face first with no prep. Much like the flurfs do when they debate anyone with more than 10 working brain cells. This week, we're tackling what everyone on YouTube University campus knows is fake and a myth, and a lie from the devil. Gravity. So on that note, bring out the memes! Our first contestant is coming out swinging above its weight class, I think, but I like its feistiness. If gravity ceases to exist in water, does it really exist anywhere? Holy moly! They really put it to those NASA shills. And it... Wait, what's that? Hold on. My producer is saying something in my ear. Apparently, the NASA shills say that gravity doesn't cease to exist in water, and in fact, if you want to see how it works, just look at the equation for buoyancy. Yep, it's in there. It kind of reminds me of what happens when someone tries to educate flurfs with facts. They just go right into their heads and cease to exist. So does that mean they don't exist anywhere? Wow, tough crowd. Moving on. Here at YouTube University, we like our memes to be cut and dried and get right to the point. None of that fluffy stuff like research or thought has to go into them at all. And this specimen right here is the Arnold Schwarzenegger of flurf memes. Not the Arnold now, I'm talking about back when he had an 18-pack and could crush an unopened soda can with his Kegels. It reads, "Nothing would be plumb on a sphere. Plumb means truly, completely, entirely straight and vertical." I've heard about this one, and it always gets its little pee-pee kicked right into the dirt. Plumb on a sphere points to the center of the sphere, no matter where you are on the sphere. And that's because of gravity. And you don't even have to try to substitute it with another stupid idea. It's just gravity. It's always there, and it always works. It always points to the dead center of the Earth. Nice try, Arnold, but I imagine you'll be back. Swing and a miss. Moving on. Now, our next contestant hails from what I can only imagine to be North Dakota. Bodies of water require containers, right? Yes, of course. So what contains the oceans? Gravity. Not so fast there, Fargo. What contains the oceans is this. I'm sorry, Challenger. You've got to be the worst meme I've ever seen. And I've seen some real doozies. Get your ass out of here with that. You're on the wrong campus. Go back to YouTube Elementary with Anthony Riley and learn the basics before you try to lie your way to the top. Only the best flurf memes may compete on this show. So I guess that's it. Two memes are battling it out head to head. Oh my god! There's another meme making its way to the ring like a wrestler with a lawn chair. It's coming down the aisle like Mark Sargent at one of his international circle jerks of stupidity. Make way! Make way! Oh! That little old lady didn't see it coming. Ouch! I hope she's okay. This new challenger really has high hopes because whoever made it was high on crack. However, I really dig its style. No fluff, no nothing. Just one sentence. Gravity is bullshit. One of the other buzzwords that flirfs love to use is density. They don't understand it. They haven't even tried to understand it. Yet over and over and over again, they regurgitate it and act like it means what they think it means. And this meme is the Nickelback of flirf logic. The NASA shills will tell you that balloons float because hot air expands, and when it expands, it's less dense than the colder air around it. Flirfs really haven't figured out this whole density, buoyancy, gravity thing, have they? That's okay, because the winner this week will receive an all-expenses-paid vacation to the ever-beautiful, tropical destination of Google. Maybe they'll learn something. There it is. Now we've selected 3 random audience members to be our panel of judges. I hope you've eaten your Wheaties because this burden is on your shoulders. It's now time for you 3 to decide which meme goes home victorious and which memes go back to their pathetic, uneducated flirf lives. Let's go! All right, it looks like the judges have decided. They're bringing up the envelope now, and soon we will find out which meme is dope and which memes are nope. Thank you very much. All right, let's get this open. Ow! Paper cut. That's a bleeder. All right. Looks like the winner, the winner of the 3rd episode of Memes of the Week is Gravity is Bullshit. Here's the note from the panel. It says, it's very misspelled, show us an experiment where make water stick to spinning ball using gravity next to a vacuum without a container, because you can't. Brainwash globetard. No, it looks like they're just rattling off buzzwords now. Michelson Morley, Bedford level, P1000, density, buoyancy, haha, classic. Well, there you have it, folks. The winner of the 3rd episode is Gravity is Bullshit. Now, I know, you probably had your favorite just like I did, and we don't always get the memes we want, but we certainly always get the memes we deserve. So come back next week for another installment of your new favorite game show, Memes of the Week!